In this video, I will show you why you might see the error message, wrong FS type, bad option, bad superblock, and how to fix it in Ubuntu using simple commands. Let's begin. This error usually happens when you try to mount a drive or partition, but Ubuntu cannot read it properly. This can happen for different reasons. The file system type might be wrong, the drive might be damaged, or some required tools are missing. Now, let's find out what type of file system this drive is using. We can run this command showing on the screen, then press Enter. This will show the type of file system. For example, if it shows type equals NTFS, then we know the drive is using the NTFS format. If that's the case, we need to make sure Ubuntu can read NTFS drives. To do that, we can install a tool by running this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. This tool helps Ubuntu work with NTFS drives. But if the drive is using ext4 or another Linux file system, and you still get the error, it may mean the file system is damaged. To check and repair the file system, we can use this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. This tool will scan the drive and try to fix any problems. Once the check is done, try mounting the drive again. If the error goes away, the problem is fixed. If not, the file system might be too damaged and you may need to recover the data with other tools. So, now you know why this error appears and how to check and fix it in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.